Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Look Gorgeous by Verdika. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet so that you don't miss any of my future videos. So today is an inspired makeup tutorial from the very beautiful and gorgeous Aisha Takia. So she supports mostly nude lips and her eyebrows are kind of very much arched. Plus she wears eyeliner such that her eyes looks bigger. She has beautiful fuller lips. I guess she has gone with some surgery on her lips recently, and this tutorial is more about flawless foundation application. So stay tuned and keep on watching my video. Let's begin with an essential skincare so that our makeup stays on flawless. I'm starting with a lip balm so as to moisturize my lips, and then I'm using rose water cleansing spray from Dabur and cleaning my face well, and then I'm applying rose water so as to tone up my skin and close my pores. Then I'm going with aloe vera gel. You can also use your moisturizer, and then I'm applying my primer. Primer acts as a layer between your skin and makeup so that your skin is not damaged, and also it helps in staying the makeup for a long time. Then I'm using orange corrector and I'm applying it wherever I have darkness on my face. Orange corrector will color correct the blue purple undertones of under eye dark circles and the darkness around my mouth, and then I'm blending it well. And if you have any redness on your face, then you can use a green corrector, and if you don't have any marks, you can simply avoid using these correctors. Then I'm going in with Garnier BB cream mixed with some Lakme CC cream, as I don't like to apply foundation much, and both of these will work great to produce the color of my skin and also for a nice coverage. So I'm dotting it all over my face, and after that I'm blending it well into my skin, and whatever is left on the back of my hand, I'm just going with that on my neck so that the product is not wasted, and also my hand gets cleaned by this way. I'm using a kabuki dense brush so as to blend it all well. You can use your fingers or else you can use your beauty blender. Do follow the method for blending in the foundation, whichever you are comfortable with. There are no rules for makeup, just go ahead and do what works for you. And then I'm using NYX Gotcha Covered Me Concealer. It is a very beautiful concealer and it also brightens very nicely. I'm applying it under my eyes and around my mouth so that these areas get brightened and also the darkness is hidden a little more, and whatever is left on this brush, I'm simply gonna use that for applying on the bridge of my nose so that the bridge of my nose looks a little brighter, and this will also help in making my nose look slender. To set this all up, I'm using a very light layer of powder on my face so as to set the concealer, and I'm very lightly applying it so that I can maintain the dewy finish which I have got by using a nice skincare routine prior to the application of foundation. For doing my eyebrows, I'm gonna apply eyebrow mascara in the chocolate brown shade from NYX so as to set my eyebrow hair in place. I like to set my eyebrow hair before applying eyebrow pencil because this works for me. And then I'm using a black eyebrow pencil so as to define the strokes of my eyebrows gently. If you have dark eyebrows, then please go with a light brown eyebrow pencil. I'm then using brownish peaches shade which is only 1 to 2 shades darker than my skin tone, and I'm applying it all over my eyelid. And Aisha Takia keeps her eyelid most of the time clean, so I'm going clean with that. And also I'm using the same color for contouring the sides of my nose. This step is completely optional. And then I'm using this same shade for contouring my cheeks, as she contours her cheeks slightly sometimes. And then I'm using a very light peach blush on my cheeks. Then I'm using a black kajal and I'm applying it in my lower waterline as well as my upper waterline. And after that I'm using Lakme Iconic Kajal in the black shade and I'm applying it on my upper lash line, and I'm slightly taking it outwards, and this will make my eyes look a little bigger. And then I'm slightly gonna take it downwards, very slightly. And then I'm using a smudging eyeshadow brush and then smudging this kajal very gently and slightly. I am now going to apply coats and coats of mascara on my upper lashes as well as onto my lower lashes. I am now removing the lip balm which I have applied, and then I am using a nude peach lip liner on my lips, and I'm slightly overdrawing my lips because she has amazing fuller lips, but I don't think that I should have done this step because I'm kind of looking completely funny with it. And then I applied Revlon Peach Nude Matte Lipstick so as to complete the look, and this is the final result. I hope that you liked this video, and if you liked it then please do give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Links will be down there in the description box. Love you all. See you in my next video.